Welcome to the CryptoNest. So we are having Sui that honestly, it's one of the rare out there that it's doing an upside movement like impulsively. So we can see once again a 1-2. I did tell you on my last videos that need to be careful because this could be also just an A, B, and a C. Ideally, A to C level would be ideally the 1-to-1 ratio. And then I did tell you as well that if we go a little bit higher, then we start to invalidate this ABC, and I would focus more on this 1-2, and then actually this is would be the third wave. Now we almost reached the 1.236. Now is the question, is this third wave finished or not yet? So for now, because we did went higher than the 1-to-1 ratio, I am focusing more on this on this 5-wave impulsive movement. But why is that? Well, first of all, we did almost reach the 1.236, which is not it's not great. We really need to go and reach the $2.48 to really have a better probability that discount will work. So we really need this third wave to reach 1.38 at $2.48, 49, or 250 maybe, just to round it up, so that probability are going to be much higher that we're going to see a healthy fourth wave. For the moment, we're not there yet. Before, I only had two touching point to do this uptrend line. You can see that now we did broke it momentarily, and then after that we regain it. I know I could try to do some micro counting and start to say, fine, are we done with this third wave? Maybe I can say, I don't know, maybe just to see like that, maybe this could be a 1-2. This was the 3-4 and 5 maybe here. So this would be wave 1. This was wave 2. And now all this can be the third wave. And so it means this is the fourth. And now we are working on a fifth one. Now I start to have maybe a little bit of a problem with this count. Let me enlarge here. So just to put it there. So we said, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I do some micro count, or if I try to do some micro counting, this could have been the 1. This is the 2, 3, 4, and now maybe we're working for a 5. Let me change the colors and also the degree. All right, so let's see how would that work out if now, once again, for this final stretch of this fifth wave, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, 3, and now it would be the 4, and then after that we will need to stretch for the last leg of the fifth wave to complete that third wave. All right, so let's see, and let's see what we can get. So I think I don't even have to do that, but let's see the fib retracement for this level for the wave 2. So that's perfect. We did reach the 0.618 or almost, so that's great. Now let's see the extension. So I'll take the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2. Looks like very promising. So I think we reached the 2x level. Can take out the others. Almost reached the 2x. So it does work out for the moment. I can call this as a 1, this is a 2, this is a happy third wave. Another problem is that can we call that unhappy fourth wave, or that wave it's too low, honestly? Are we invalidating this count, this micro count? Just to be sure, I'm not saying it's not a bullish one, but yeah. So for a moment now, I mean, this is the 4 hours. So if I go maybe on the 1 day, now you can see that we didn't close the candle, fine. But if I go on the 4 hours, you can see that now we start to be a little bit out of the range of the fourth wave. And I'm going to say now that if we have a sustained break below 191, that means, you know, even lower levels, and for a you know, extended period of time, then, you know, well, maybe this was already the fifth wave, and I don't know, maybe this was a crazy movement. No, honestly, we're missing another, but this is micro counting right away, so it's not perfect. Micro counting, you cannot always expect to have 5 waves. Maybe, you know, I did a mistake here, and this was a 1, 2, and this was the third, this is the fourth, and we have an explosive fifth wave, and that could do it. Not as explosive that we wanted, but technically it did do an higher high than the third wave, so that would be you know, job done, because that's at the end of the day, the fifth wave has to do a higher level price target than the third wave, and it did that. All right, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys concerning Sui. Now the question is, can Sui hold, or, you know, he already started the this, I mean, pullback for the fourth wave, bigger fourth wave. And we can see also the RSI on the 4 hour, it's no, that's 1 hour, it's resetting. Let's see on the 4 hours. Well, stock RSI, it's already resetted. The RSI is still ongoing. And yeah, so we are going to see soon. Now, I didn't want to do it, but let me see here. I could also just move this trend here and put it here, or maybe something like that, and see if maybe the price is going to react to this trend. We have just one touching point here, and after that bounce back. If we do that, fine, that's we still have a fair chance or probability that we are going to manage to do a higher fifth wave. Now my next target would be the next level of the fib, so 2.236 at $2.24, and 2.38 would be 2.28, and 2.618 $2.35. So these are the 3 levels now that I'm looking. If price, you know, seems to react to this trend and this level, then yeah, we can look for that. Now, once again, definitely now, if the price break this trend, the orange uptrend line, then I believe this should be, anyway, the fifth wave, and we have already the first sign. Actually, we would have 2 signs: price going below 0.5, so start to invalidate the fourth wave, and breaking this you know, uptrend, because at the end of the day, I cannot move this trend no longer. Okay, this is my last time I can move it. After that, I'm going to take for granted that this is my second indication that price has initiated its correction. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.